Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to be doing the EU countries tier list, and I don't want any ads. Now, United Kingdom, I'm going to straight away put it in War Crime Thick Boys. Why? I don't know why it's called that, and not just like F or E. And that's because they're not in the EU. I can type. Why can I type? Then I'm going to just get that. Brexit. Then Austria. I like Austria, it's alright. And Latvia is your brother, so I'll stick you two together. And then you look like you would connect. And then you two can go together just below them. Belgium. I like Belgium. I'll stick you on this side just because the red then joins onto that. Malta. I'll probably go there with Malta. Now, Bulgaria, I think this is. I guess. Croatia, I'll stick you in C as well. Cyprus is not EU, that's not a country, you know. Czech Republic, you're alright, I'll stick you in there with those red boys. Oh, that looks nice. Now, Estonia, I like you. You can join with Finland, actually I'll stick you up there. And Greece can, I know Greece has stupid money problems and it's borrowing from everyone. France is alright, I guess. Germany, ich spreche Deutsch. Hungary, I think. I'm not hungry at this point in time, so don't care. Ireland is straight up S tier. Italy. I'll stick you down there because people think that you're Ireland for some reason. I'm like, well, you know, Côte d'Ivoire. Forget what you are. I'm gonna stick you there. No, Luxembourg, I believe. I like you. I'll stick you up with those red boys because you have a bit of red on you. Portugal. I don't really have much interest in you. Romania, I think. You're kind of like France, but you're yellow instead of white. Slovakia, I don't really care. I'll stick you there. Now, you two can go in down there. Spain is alright. I'll put you above Portugal. They might have some rivalries, so let's hope that kicks off something in the comments. Sweden. I like Sweden. Sweden is great. And then the Netherlands. Right. Oh, that will have to do it for today's video. Actually, no. Okay, well, that's the tier list. That's it done. Oh, can I comment on it? No, I can't. Okay, well, that's that. So, if you enjoyed today's video, then please like and sube. Like and sube right now. Okay. Thank you. So, goodbye. Good luck. And see you next time.